All right, live stream is starting. We are about to break all-time highs in Bitcoin, guys. It is actually about to happen very, very soon. I really hope you guys have been stacking up and getting ready for this because it is about to just explode. Like insane, guys. Absolutely insane. So, hope you guys are ready for this, but it doesn't matter even if you think you're ready. The point of the stream is I'm going to try to explain to you guys how incredibly insane this is about to get. So, it's going to be nuts. Like I can't even stress to you guys like oh man, I'm so excited. This has been the time we've been prepping for this for weeks, for months. I've been trying to get you guys on the idea that this thing is going to take off, and we are finally here, about to break all-time highs. So if you're in the chat, go ahead and throw me a like, give me a comment, let me know you're in here, recommend to your friends. Like, oh my gosh, here we are. You are not ready. Bro, you are not ready. None of y'all are ready. All right. None of you are ready. Anthony, you're not ready. Eric, you're not ready. Pan, you are not ready for this. Bro, I know you ain't ready. Hell, I'm not even ready. None of us are ready for what's about to happen, guys. It's about to be nuts. So, oh man, I'm so excited, guys. Like, I can't even stress. This is going to be life-changing money for all of us. Like, life-changing money. I can't even, like, stress to you guys this. Oh my gosh, it'd be amazing. So yeah, let's go through all these coins. Look at all this red in the market today. Oh my gosh, so much red. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love seeing red today on the altcoins because all we're doing is building up strength to absolutely explode. 2x! Eric, come on, man. You really think 2x is all we're going to get out of Bitcoin? Yeah, you're right. We might only get 2x, but no, guys. No. If you're in the altcoins, this is where the money is at right here. Total 2 chart. This is the important one, okay? Like, this is where you are going to see some absolutely explosive movements, all right? I don't even know if we're going to 2x from here on Bitcoin, honestly, okay? Bitcoin is not the focus. Bitcoin is not the focus. Bitcoin is the catalyst just to get us going, okay? Bitcoin is the catalyst to get us started. So let me show you guys the absolute absurdity of what's about to happen. Okay, I want you guys to fully grasp the just absolute absurdity. Okay, if you go way back in time, right? Go way back in time. We're gonna go back to the weekly chart, right? And let's go back and see what happened. Okay, Litecoin, for instance. Okay, Litecoin got to $420 back whenever Bitcoin was at 20,000. Okay, back when Bitcoin was at 20,000, Litecoin went to $420. Okay, if you go back to the Bitcoin pairing chart, you can get an idea of how far we have fallen on the pairing from there. See, so over there, we're way up here at the 0.04 level, and right now we're way over here at the 0.003 level. We are, what, 90% down from where we were on the ratio back then, okay? On the ratio, we are 90% down from where we were. See that? We have 1,361% just to go to match where we were at the top of the bull market back there, man. Like, we have so much potential. Wait, it's over here? Yeah, I think my timeline's all wrong. February 18th. Yeah, here we go. Right in here. So we still have like 1,000% to go, give or take, to get back to our previous all-time highs on the ratio. So let's do some math real quick, all right? Google calculator. All right, let's do some math. Let's say, hypothetically, we were to reach what we were back in 2018, okay? Hypothetically, what is it? 0.025. 0.025 times Bitcoin's current rate, which is what, 62,000? So if Litecoin was to get back to the same ratio it was back in 2017, right now today, and we're not even assuming Bitcoin is going to go higher because we already know Bitcoin is going to go higher. Let's see, what are we going to get to? Litecoin would get to $1,550 today if it was to match the previous all-time high on the pairing back at the top of Litecoin back in 2018. Guys, like, and right now we're currently at what, $190, I think? So that means that Litecoin is looking like it can easily 10x from here to reach previous all-time highs, okay? And this is just one of the many, many examples, right? Go back here to ZEC and see where it was at back in 2017. So ZEC at the height of the bull run, it got to 0.17. Okay, so 0.17. Let's look at this. So 0.17 times 62,000, okay? That means that ZEC, if it was to get the same price it was back then, it would get to $10,540 a coin. And what is that right now? ZEC is currently only at $125. That's 100x from here, okay? Now, do I think ZEC is going to 100x from here? No, I don't. But I just want you guys to fully grasp the absolute absurdity as to what we are in right now. Just insane, guys. Absolutely insane. So, yeah, we are not ready for this. Like, no one is ready for what's about to happen. All right, so let's talk about the game plan, right? Let's talk about what are we expecting to happen for us to see these massive movements like we're fully expecting. Like, look at this, guys. Look at this trend line on the log chart. This trend line has been formed. Once we start busting above this trend line, it's going to go parabolic in a massive, massive way. But we have to get there first, right? Litecoin is busting out today. That's why I brought that coin up. Litecoin is currently busting out of a massive trend line. It looks extremely good. Look at this. Go back in the daily chart. Go back here. You guys can see. See this? All the way down here. We're just now breaching it. Once again, we're back above the 200 moving average. We are now above this weekly breaker. We have a little bit of resistance above us, but guys, the whole market just looks like it's ready to absolutely explode. And the catalyst right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going up. It's sucking all the money out of the market. It's sucking all the money out of the market, right? And you can see this because if you go to the total chart, right, totals all the money in the entire market, you can see, although, oh my gosh, it actually is. There's more money coming to the market. This is perfect. Oh, that's amazing. I'm so excited right now. Yeah, there's more money entering the market right now. It's not just Bitcoin sucking the money out. Money is actually entering the market. Have we breached all-time highs? Oh my God, we have. Guys, look. We have breached all-time highs right now, today, at this moment in time, right now. We actually have more money in the market than we've ever had. We have more money right now, today, as we're speaking, than we've ever had in crypto. There is $2.5 trillion in the market right now, today. Look, we are above our previous all-time high. Oh my gosh, guys. We are in price discovery for the entire crypto market. Okay, so what am I looking for, right? Well, we're not in price discovery yet on the total 2 chart, which is the altcoin chart, right? And we all know our alts are struggling. We know this. But this is a very important thing, okay? Last week, we closed above our key level on the 3-day level. We closed above here. And I said, guys, Bitcoin is about to rocket because we're now above this level, but we have a lot more money into the market. This was our key we were looking at. Let me adjust this just a little bit up. There you go. This was what we were looking for right here. We got to close above it. Once we got to close above it, I said, guys, just get ready. There's no more resistance, okay? However, on the exact same time frame, the exact same chart, over here, we can see, I don't know why this keeps getting moved, but whatever. We actually closed below it last time. So I was like, uh-oh, we have some problems in the total 2 chart, the altcoin market, right? And we did struggle. But we're now back above that. In 4 hours and 24 minutes, if we are above this key level, like it's on, guys. It's absolutely on. Go back here. We can see the cup and handle. We saw what happened whenever the cup and handle is breached over here, right? Look at this trend line. We came up here. We established a high. Next one, trend line was established. We saw the resistance we had at this level. We now busted from it, and now we're currently in price discovery on the total chart. Oh, my gosh. Guys, go ahead and give a like to this video, guys. Make sure to give some likes in here. What we got, 35? Hey, that's not bad. I'm okay with that. 35 likes already? Hell yeah, guys. I'm loving it. Loving it. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you guys are in there because I'm updating people all the time. So, let's see. Bitcoin dominance is absolutely rocking right now. Bitcoin is just destroying the rest of the market, okay? This is okay. This is okay. This is what we want to happen, all right? Because this is the important thing. Bitcoin is the one who's going to bring the money into the market. Bitcoin is going to be the one on CNBC. They're going to be on all the newspapers, all the television, all the news stations. Everyone's talking about how Bitcoin's breaking new highs, right? Bitcoin's all-time high. What is that going to do once all this news comes out? Okay, once the news comes out that Bitcoin's now breaking all-time highs, everyone's going to rush back in the market, okay? All the retail investors are now going to come back into the market, okay? And then once it starts going sideways, which will happen, what's going to happen then? That's whenever our altcoins are going to absolutely take off in a massive way. So this could increase higher, okay? And I think it's pretty likely that we very well may get all the way up into here, this 50% region. I think it's very likely. We have this massive, massive weekly breaker right here that has not been tested from the downside. And we also have this daily breaker right here that we also have not tested. So I think it's very likely we come up here in the 49 to 50% region. Once we come up here, though, this is the time to absolutely load up like crazy on your altcoins. And it's really not that far away because once we get that, then we're going to continue back down. And this reversal, drop back down, this is where alt season happens, okay? Just like over here. Remember what happened? Okay? Once we started breaking down here, this is when we had this massive, massive money moving from Bitcoin into our altcoins. So let Bitcoin run right now. Let Bitcoin take off. Let it get to the 100,000 mark, right? Let it get way up there. And then once it starts stabilizing out, that's when we're going to get all that money transition from Bitcoin into our altcoins. This is totally healthy and totally okay. Absolutely, 100%, not a problem at all. I'm completely happy with this, guys. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance looks fine. Shorts are getting absolutely wrecked right now. We have very, very, very few shorts. Look at this. Only 1,137 shorts. Look at the all-times on here, guys. Like, look at this. Way down here, we have an all-time low amount of shorts. Our longs are starting to increase again. It's a good sign. We want it to curve and go back up. People are gaining confidence again in the market that we're going to continue going up. Let's go to Bitcoin. Let's see how we're doing on Bitcoin right now. Oh, man, I'm so excited. All right, look at this. This was my plan I laid out a long time ago. Let's see. There it is. There it is right here. Look. Okay. Who here has been on this channel long enough to seeing this? All right. Who's been on this channel long enough to remember this? Okay. This massive mess we've had. I laid this out months ago. Let me find it real quick. Let me find it. YouTube. I'm going to show you guys this. I think it's worth it. Just stand by. Don't go anywhere. I think it's worth it to understand this is exactly what we're looking for. I call it the 4 steps. Where's it at? 4 steps. 4 steps. 4 key levels you need to know to watch for if the bull market is happening. All right, watch this, guys. Watch this. The 4 key levels we are looking for to see if the Bitcoin market is going to take off, right? And this was made back in July 27th, okay? July 27th. Look at this, okay? Step 1, weekly breaker. Step 2, 200 moving average. Step 3, This daily breaker, step 4, 3-day point of breakdown. Step 5 is moon. Okay, you guys see this. Way back in July 27th, I brought out, these are the 4 key levels you need to watch to know if the bull runs back on. We got 59 views on here. No one actually watches this stuff, right? Why was people not watching this? Because everyone down here was saying that we are going to go back down here to freaking 20,000. That's why, okay? No one was watching this video. But sure enough, you guys see this, right? Step 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm not making this up out of the middle of nowhere, right? Well, where we are right now, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. We are in now moon territory, guys. This is it. God, I'm so excited. We are early. We are super, super early. Oh man, guys, this just looks amazing. I'm super, super happy right now. So do you think that I care about what happens right now? Could we come back down in here and retest 57,000? Is that okay? Absolutely. Could we come all the way back down here and touch the 54,000 again? Yes. Totally okay with that, right? Could we, in theory, come all the way back down and go all the way down to 47 to 48,000? Yes. Why? Because this would be a golden pocket retracement and completely healthy. The important thing is now we have reclaimed all of our major levels. The 3-day candle closed above this level in 4 hours and 17 minutes, guys. 4 hours and 17 minutes. We are going to do this. Soy2 Studio, give us some coin picks. How about you at least say please, dude? What the hell, man? So look at this, guys. We are doing... This is going exactly to plan. Everything's going great. No worries at all. All right, guys. And also, I throw a ton of coin picks in my Discord every single day. So if you... Oh, what is this? Keep... Oh, my God. 65% up today. That's awesome. Matic is on fire. My boy Ace, he called that one. RLC's doing good. Stacks recovering. All right, awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, there are a ton of coin picks in there, man. Ton of them in there. ACH is doing really good. Let's see, how's this one looking? You guys know ACH is like my favorite coins, right? Let's see, how are we looking over here? So 4-hour 200 moving average looks like it's currently acting as resistance. Okay, 4-hour 200 moving average acting as resistance. So, yeah, this is our key level right now. 4-hour 200 moving average, our key level. Let's look what else we got. Any weekly levels? One up here. Okay, 3-day. There's another one. Okay. Daily level. Is it? Okay, there we are. These are our key levels, guys. If we want to break up, these are our key things we need to get above. Overall, it still looks fine. It's still a very clear impulse, very clear correction. Nothing unhealthy about this, nothing wrong. This all looks fine. Awesome. Yeah, this all looks really, really good, guys. I'm really, really happy about this. Let's see. Let's go ahead and drop this in there. Key levels have been defined. I'm going to go to the BTC pairing, see if we have anything else on here, and understand this. So our altcoins very well may still be getting a beating. Okay, they may still be taking a beating for a while because, like I said, I don't think it's unexpected for us to keep going up and do some more beatings on the Bitcoin pairing. I don't think it's that unreasonable. So, and this is the important thing. If you guys are patient, which, man, I hope you are patient, right? If you're able to be patient, it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay, and it's going to be worth it. What do we got back here? That's a 3-day level. God, we have no support down here at all, do we? Not happy about that. ACH fell a lot further than I wanted it to. We got to see if this can recover itself. Oh, man. I'm okay with Bitcoin just, stopping and letting the alts catch up. I'm okay with that. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I'm going to be a multimillionaire after this bull run's over, so I'm okay with all of that. Let's look at some other ones. What are some other important ones I want to go over? Let's look at our mains. So we already went over Bitcoin. Let's go over Bitcoin a little more, see what's going on. Is there anything else that we can find out of this? So, oh man, this looks so good. 3-day level. Four hours till we get our close. Woo, man, look at that final resistance level. Now, I don't own Decal Commander, I also own absolutely 0 Bitcoin. I own 0. If you guys want to know what coins I own, you can go to the Discord page, and I have it all listed out. If you go over here to, gotta find it. Wait, where is it at? Where's my active holdings at? Did I get rid of it? Where's my active holdings at? Oh, there it is, over here. There it is. These are my active holdings. I haven't updated a little bit, but it's pretty damn similar right here. This is basically what I have right here, guys. Yeah, this is it. So this is the breakout, guys. Like this is the one. I cannot stress this enough. This is that important to you guys. So, oh man, I'm so excited right now. Okay, I gotta focus. This is really, really tough though. So like I've been watching this market and I've been trading, and you gotta understand. So like I've been in this market. I have traded at least an hour a day since here. Where was that? November 27th, right about here. I bought in, the last time I bought into Bitcoin and really started trading heavily was right here around 20 November 2017. I have survived and I have traded all of this. All of this just craziness, right? And now, just today, we're just now making some massive, massive movements to make this thing go back up, guys. Like, this has just been such an incredible ride, and I'm so happy to finally be in here. This is like a celebration stream. So, like, what alts should you be in? I mean, any of them. Like, it doesn't even freaking matter, man. And that's the thing I don't know if you guys fully grasp. Like, every altcoin will do amazing. Every one of them. It doesn't even matter which one you're in. Like, they all do great. So, like, to give you an idea, this is the total altcoin market cap, right? So, like, from 2017 on, it went from, let's see, 2017 to the top of the bull run was a 143,000% growth. Like, you see this? 143,000% growth. Like, guys, like, this is just amazing. Absolutely amazing. This is all altcoins, right? So, just over here, remember what happened here, right? And you're like, oh, that was 2017. It's a whole different thing, right? You're right. It is, right? So let's go back over here, okay? And I have not been this bullish until around here. November of last year is whenever I got really, really bullish again. Okay, we started doing some things that really got me excited. So, just this most recent bull run, okay, the most recent bull run, from here up to here, we still went 887%. Okay. Oh, do I pop up in the wine? Bro, yes. Yes, this is absolutely wine popping time. 100%. It's only 3 o'clock in the afternoon for me, and I think it'd be a little weird if I pop up a wine right now. But yes, like this is it. We have a brand new all-time high on the total market cap. There is more money in crypto right now today than there has ever been in the history of the world. Okay? There's more money in crypto right now. Right now, there's more money in crypto than any other day in the history of the world. Okay? Like, that's how significant. So the last time we really started popping off, we started getting a parabolic movement. Okay? We had an increase of 887%. Let's do this. What was the increase after we broke above here? Let's see. So we had a 200% increase just from the top of 2017-2018 bull run. So 200% on every cryptocurrency, right? And we haven't even had that big of an increase. That's the most insane thing about this. Oh man, guys, I'm so pumped right now. Like it's when you have charts that look like this. I'm just gonna pick one. Oh, that's a bad one. Let's do an old chart, one that's been around for a while. I mean, I don't know, like Ethereum Classic maybe. Like, look at this. Okay, this is where we're at right now. Okay, this is where we've been. So we have been 1,000% higher. We've been 1,000% higher on the Bitcoin pairing than we are right now. All right. If we really do start taking off and Bitcoin really breaks up and we have a massive amount of money going into, like, this thing can seriously pop to the upside. Just like nuts, guys. Absolutely nuts. Like, I hope you guys can fully understand and grasp the severity of this. So yeah, our alts are getting wrecked right now. Like, look at this. The Bitcoin pairing is just getting absolutely destroyed, but that's okay, right? We're going to let Bitcoin do its thing, and then we're going to just follow behind at the end and then make all this cash. Another big one right now, look at this. This is a huge one. Very, very excited about this. Let's see, how do I draw this appropriately? Wait. I can't draw today. How is it drawn? I think it's right here. Yeah, we're so close to breaking out. Like, look at all these triangles are all converging this simple area, man. Like, Litecoin looks amazing. There's so many of these alts that look so incredibly good right now. What are some other big ones? What are some ones that I'm really, really pumped about? I mean, this one looks amazing. Algo is going back down. Did we touch it? So I made a call last night about this coin. I was saying that I want to see it drop down into this area. And we're dropping, and we're almost at my buy zone. Okay. If you go over here to the Algo chart, if you are a Patreon subscriber, you know this. Okay. And I talked about how I want to see it go a little further down right to this area right here. And I even said the USD pairing looks great, but the BTC pairing looks like it wants to go a little further down. That might give us a hint that Bitcoin is going to explode upwards, which will drop the BTC pairing on the alts a little further, but would raise the USD pairing. That's perfect. So I think we have a little bit further to drop on the altcoin BTC pairing, but we're going to fall in our buy zone right here, which is the 200 moving average, along with this daily breaker. And then that will accelerate us to the upside. That's what I really think what's going to happen. Yeah, that's what I think is going to happen, guys. Let's look over here. Falling wedge, maybe. A little rough to draw it. A little rough to draw, but there's some sort of a falling wedge as well. Maybe I can consider this a deviation. No. Maybe. Either way, guys, the point is we're really, really close to a buy zone on this play. Let me go ahead and update on here. start updating all my Patreon subscribers of the plays so they're aware of what's going on. Daily breaker 200 MA buy zone. My assumption was right that we would get an explosion on BTC, which would bring the pairing down further. Oh man. All right. Let's go over here. Let's go to the chart request section and see what chart requests that we're going to go over today. Jimmy James, I'm going to skip on that because I need more information as to why you want a chart request there. If you want a chart request, okay? All right, here, let's do this. I want to talk to you guys about something real quick. So the big question is, why have I not made YouTube videos lately, right? Why have I been just like ghosting you guys? Why have I been completely out of the loop? Well, I have a new job, and my job requires me to travel across the country. So last 2 weeks, I traveled 4,300 miles on my vehicle. So in 11 days, I traveled 4,300 miles on my vehicle. That's an average of like 500 miles a day. Insane, right? So I wasn't really able to really do videos and stuff. But here's the important thing. I'm actually going to be hiring a driver so that I can do my job and travel across the country. While they're driving, I will be in the passenger seat updating you guys on coins and charts and doing videos and all that stuff. So if you are a Patreon subscriber, you are going to get so much freaking value because I'm going to essentially be a full-time YouTuber and full-time updating you guys on Discord for the most up-to-date plays. And the Patreon is only $40 a month, okay? $40 a month. If you cannot take the advice of an expert trader and make $40 a month in a bull run, if you can't understand the value of that, like, it's insane. So why am I still working? Because my wife makes me have a job. That's why. So if this bull run goes the way that I think it's going to go, could I retire early? Technically, yes. Will I? No. I'm still going to keep working. Also, I love my job. So here's a cool part about it too, right? So I actually quit my federal job. Okay, I had a federal job with the U.S. government. I quit that so that I could do a job that I would actually enjoy. No kidding. So I quit the stability of that and went and did a completely different job where I fly drones. Okay, I fly drones around cell towers and things like that. If you're in my Discord, you know all about it. But essentially, crypto has allowed me to take this massive risk because I don't have to stress about money, and it's amazing, right? So that's what I'm doing right now. So pretty awesome, but I'm hiring someone to drive with me, and I'll be in the passenger seat doing videos and all that stuff, trading and all that funness, and getting you guys all the massive amount of value. So yeah, if you guys are not on Patreon, you guys are seriously missing out. Yeah, there you go. I have 63 Patreons. I'm making $1,500 a month. All this money is just going to be going to my driver to give you guys more value. That's all I'm doing right now. I'm just giving them. I'm paying them more than that. But yeah, I'm basically losing money on YouTube and losing money on Discord just so that I can give you guys more value. And that's no kidding. That's what I'm doing. So yeah, it's going to be insane, guys. I'm really excited about it though. So. I know CB actually considered being my driver. We talked about it for a while, but he was like, it doesn't really make sense for me, so I'm not going to do it. But yeah, guys, like $40 a month, 31 spots remaining. I'm going to tell you guys right now, and listen, this is very important. I'm going to tell you guys right now that once this bull run starts popping off, okay, and once these 31 slots are gone, I will increase the price for the next one. My last one was 20. This one's 40. What do you think the next one's going to be? Maybe 60, maybe 80. Maybe 100. I don't know yet, right? I'll see how it goes. But if there are a lot of people getting into crypto, they'll pay a higher amount just so that they can get the inside information. So, and you think I'm going to pass up making extra money? Hell no. Hell no. Bro, hey, if you're serious, dude, Brains, if you're serious and you want to become my driver, if you want to go and do all that stuff, dude, you hit me up like legit. We might actually start talking, like legitimately. All right, dude. But yeah, like I still am looking for somebody. I've been interviewing people. That's why I've been late to streams, because I'm literally doing interviews and stuff with people right now, trying to figure out the right person. So I got to be able to tolerate them for an extended period of time while we go around and fly drones and go to cell towers all across the country. I think next week I'm going to the state of Washington. So I think that's where I'm going next. All right. So enough of that. So if you're on Patreon, you're getting a lot of information, a lot of awesome information. I'm quitting my job just so I can give you guys even more information. But yeah, cool stuff, guys. All right, where are we at? Jig stack. Oh my God, this damn coin. Okay, look at this. Still a falling wedge. Is it brutal? Lots of shakeouts here. Yes, but yeah, it still looks fine to me. So looks good to me. I don't have any issue with this still. Total market cap. I don't know yet. Total maybe not. I think the altcoin market is going to be the big winner. I think we're going to have a massive rotation of I should Abraham, if you're interested in doing a crypto transaction, I'd be down. I'd be down. All you can do is just like hit me up on Discord and we'll work something out. Yeah, I'm dead serious. So I really am doing this though. I'm like, no shit. I'm hiring someone to drive for me around the country so that I can be on YouTube and Discord all the time. Like, not even joking. So yeah, obviously I got to do like a background checks and all that stuff because I don't really know you guys and stuff, but yeah, I am dead serious. Yeah, CB knows, like, we legitimately talked about this, so it's very likely to happen. But all right, let's keep going on. What are we going to focus on now? So jig stack still looks fine. I don't have any issue with that at all. Let's look at the BTC pair. Let's see if we can find anything that's like really close to resistance. Oh my gosh, 1 inch. Still a falling wedge. Daily 200s up there. What else we got? Who was the one that's really into 1 inch? I think that was Ace. I think Ace is really into 1 inch. Nothing yet that's really interesting me. I'm going to keep going. AAVE. Ooh, that's a rough rejection there. I don't like this breakdown. That is a very unhealthy breakdown. You guys see this? Came down here, tested it, dropped below it, retest, continuation downward. This looks really, 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 really bad. All right, I don't like this. So AAVE looks really unhealthy as a whole just because of this interaction. Yeah. So yeah, AAVE looks really bad. And you guys see why, right? Like, I'm going to make that clear. So you guys see why. Hit, close, tapped it again, fell through, retest, continuation down. Right? Like, this is a show of weakness on this chart by definition. Let me do this. You guys see that, right? This is exactly what we do not want to see on here. AAVE, where's it at? AAVE. Okay, this looks pretty bad. All right. What else? ADA. Is ADA looking better? Hell no. ADA looks like garbage right now. Look at this. Man, I hope Ace is in here. Ace, you see this? This looks like garbage right now. We've lost the 200 moving average. I just don't see anything healthy about this chart. Yep, this looks bad. Do not like this. Do not like this at all. Yeah. AGIX, another loss. Oh my gosh, look at this. Ew. Yep, another bad one. I don't like that either. Okay, we talked about Algo. It's in a really good spot right now. Alice. Ooh, okay. You guys see that? Is this a breaker? Yes. Are we currently coming into a breaker right now? Yes. Let's look at the US dollar pairing. Alice, give me some hope. Give me something good. Still a corrective structure. We're still inside of this consolidation. This is going to be a lost level. Reclaim, retest, continuation upwards. Yes. Alice looks really good. Alice looks great. I'm happy about Alice. I think Alice is a great, great, great coin right now. I'm going to see if I can buy some Alice. I like it. Let me see. Alice. Oh, man. There we go. I like Alice. So if you guys are not like, if you guys are actually, you see how anytime I find a chart, I drop it in here, right? So if you're a part of the Patreon and you're a part of the Discord, you're getting the information. So oh wait, USD pairing. BTC pairing is resting on a major weekly breaker now. Looks solid all around for a risky, aggressive play. I like Alice. How do you? All right, where's Alice even at? Let's see. What is its market cap? My neighbor Alice, 186. Oh my God, it's dropped a lot. Wow, Binance, Bit. I don't have any of these. Uniswap. I could do a Uniswap. I might buy some Alice. Actually, I'm interested. So are altcoins about to drop like hell? In BTC value, very possibly. In US dollar, I don't think so. I don't think they're gonna drop much in US dollar value, and they might drop in BTC pairing. But here's the thing, guys, like the BTC pairings are so freaking low right now. Like look at Bitcoin Cash, for instance. Here we go. Good example. Bitcoin Cash. Okay, look. This is where Bitcoin Cash used to be at on the Bitcoin pairing. This is where it's at right now. Do you really think it can drop much further? No. Okay, like no. Could it drop a little further? Sure. But like it's already so freaking low. Let Bitcoin do its thing. Let it pop up a little higher, right? Let it take all-time highs. And then once it starts consolidating, our alts are going to run like freaking mad. Don't worry. I'm telling you guys. Rec proof. Where's he at? Rec proof right here, okay? This is a great chart I want you guys to all look at, okay? Phase 1, Bitcoin moves first, alts delay. We are in phase 1, okay? Then it moves into where alts play catch up. Once Bitcoin starts ranging, alts play catch up, okay? Then once the major alts start to range, then we're going to have the low caps are going to catch up. All right, this is the phases. Now, we have been in phase 1 for a while, right? Because Bitcoin's been taken off and leaving other coins in the dust. But just today, RegProof actually came out and said, hey, phase 2 and 3 are starting, okay? Like, this guy's really, really, really good. And, like, if someone like him is starting to say, hey, it's time to transition, you should probably start listening, okay? The whole thing is, like, we have got a lot of there's a lot of potential in this market. Bitcoin does not have nearly as much potential as the other coins, okay? No, like, I'm not stressing at all, guys. Like, this looks amazing. Where is it at? Oh, man, it just looks so good, guys. I'm so excited about this. Yeah, I made this about a week and a half ago, right? So Bitcoin sucks all the money during the pump and will redistribute it after it consolidates. However, when Bitcoin goes up, that means there is more money to redistribute among the altcoins as it rises. A rising tide will lift all ships. Bitcoin will drag the alts along with it, right? So Bitcoin goes up first, then all of our other ones will follow. Loom, what about it? Is it taken off? Tell me it's taken off. It's not doing shit, man. What the hell? It's just chilling. It's fine. Guys, I'm telling you, just hold off on looking at your alts right now. Like, it's going to pay dividends to be patient. It happens every single cycle. Every single cycle is what happens. Bitcoin takes off first. The alts will take off afterwards. There's nothing telling us this one will be any different than the previous one. I'm so freaking excited right now, guys, and you should be too. All right, let's go back over here. Yeah, look at this. Y'all ain't ready for what's about to happen. Oh man, it's gonna be so insane. I'm so excited right now. All right, let's look at this. What's the next one I'm gonna look at? Requests, we already covered it yesterday. Let's talk about Chili's. I'm curious about Chili's too. CHZ. We are currently at the 702. CHZ. Where's it at? I guess you don't have one. All right, that's fine. There's a lot of alts going up, dude. Don't even worry, man. There'll be a lot more alts going up very soon. Just be patient. I'm telling you guys, patience is going to do amazing things for you if you're able to do it. And that's the most important thing. I cannot stress you enough. Patience is what's really going to make you the most money. Just being patient. And I know it sucks, but it's going to win in the end. I would put literally everything. I would put literally everything that I own on the fact that in the next 2 months, okay, 2 months. I'm not saying 2 weeks. I'm not saying 2 days. I'm saying in the next 2 months, your altcoins from this point right now today are going to vastly outperform Bitcoin. Okay? If you look at what it is right now and look at what it's going to be 2 months from now, your alts are going to have absolutely dominated. And remember, I have one hell of a success rate, one hell of a hit rate in this market. Okay. So, like, you guys know that I've been pretty damn accurate on my calls for the most part. So, this is one I'm extremely confident about. All right, let's do this. Gosh, I think it's the stupidest thing you could possibly do is to switch your money into Bitcoin right now. Because once these alts start popping off, it's going to wreck and just absolutely take off. Okay, what was I doing? Yeah, Chili's, that's right. CHD. There really isn't a CHD on here? Whatever, it's fine. Let's do Matic. All right, so let's talk about this real quick. And instantaneously, we already have some major warning signs across this chart. Okay. Is this a support or a resistance? This is definitely a resistance. Why? We close below it. Okay. Yeah, this is definitely a resistance point. Matic. All right. What? No, Fulch, man, no, not at all, dude. Like here's what's going on with Matic, all right? Don't focus on Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance isn't going to be your individual chart analysis, right? Bitcoin dominance for the overall market. This is what happened, okay? You guys see this. This is a weekly breaker. Massive weekly breaker. How do we know? Because you have this point of break. Now this is the level that acted as a support and then it fell through, right? All this looks like is a back test. So all it looks like is a back test. Not only that, if you go to the 200 moving average, we rejected off of the 200 moving average, okay? No, it was not the Bitcoin dominance. It's the fact we broke down the 200 and we came back in and retested it. So no, we have some yeah, we have some more work to do, guys. Like Matic looks okay. There's a lot of volume coming in. There's a really, really good sign, but we need more follow through. And until we get a daily close with a 200 moving average, you have to use caution. Like this looks like we have work to do. Okay, straight up, we're not there yet. We're not where we need to be on Matic. UOS, I'm not going to focus on that. ZEC, XDZ. How's XRP doing? Let's see. Uh-oh. Come on, man. I need you to start popping off. Okay, well, you know what? We have a major support right below us. Yep, we have a major support right below us. I already covered algo. If you're a supporter, you can look, or if you're a Patreon subscriber, you can look in the Discord, or you just rewind the video. So yeah. Aggressive bids. Yep, XRP. Let's see where else. How's VRA doing? God, massive dip. To be fair, though, this is about the spot you want to add. Because right now, we are at a support level right now. What is this, a weekly? 3-day? I'm going to say it's no longer valid. I'm going to get rid of it. This is also no longer important. I'm going to say this is now important. Say this no longer is important. There we go. These are my levels right here. Yep, we are currently inside of major support right now for Veracity. Oh, yeah? Woo, baby, look at this sucker. We just keep on rolling, guys. We just keep on rolling. We are going to probably bust above all-time high today. Can you believe that? Look at this. We are only 4% away from all-time highs right now. This might actually happen today. Wow. Ooh, baby, guys. This is getting big. I hope you guys are ready. I really, really, really hope you guys are ready. This is about to get insane, guys. I can't even express this enough to you. How's H-bar doing? Okay, we're still holding this breaker. 3-day? Weekly? What is this level? Oh, 4-hour. Interesting. Well, we're still holding it, so I'm still significant, I suppose. Yep, still significant. Oh, gosh, look at Keep. We're up freaking 60% today. Oh, my gosh. Just look at this chart, guys. Look at this, okay? In one day, we got up 30% on Matic, which is a pretty big one, right? Huge. 30% in one day. And this is a pretty massive coin, too. Like, you guys need to fully grasp how significant and how much power these coins have right now. Look, 35%, 17% over here. Yeah, there's a lot of power building up, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Bitcoin Cash is doing really well today. Oh my gosh. This looks really good. All right, let's look at this. Weekly. No, this is still resistance. I was wrong. It's still resistance. Resistance. Support. Okay, we're busting above it now. This is the 200 weekly, isn't it? Son of a bitch. Yes, it is. 200 weekly moving average. That's a good idea, Chris. No, dude, I'm gonna find me a driver, man. I'm gonna find a driver and they're gonna drive me around and that's it. That's it. It's gonna drive me around town all the time. Or drive me around on work. Yeah, I'm dead serious. I'm doing this though. I'm gonna sit in the passenger seat and record videos on my long drive, so I have nothing else going on. Yeah, Bitcoin Cash looks really, really good. I think I'm actually might add additional position to my Bitcoin Cash. So this is going to be the 200. Wait. I'm going to make this a little bigger. That's a 200 weekly. Yeah, 200 weekly is pushing up. Yeah, I think Bitcoin Cash is in its position. I think it's about time to start taking notice of it. We're also reaching a point. So something else to take notice of. On these Bitcoin pairing charts, a lot of times what happens is it comes down here and retaps the points where it continues the uptrend. So for instance, I think XRP had a good one. See this right here? Okay. We actually came down, tapped this level again before we shot back up again. It wasn't a great one, but this stuff does happen. It's just hard to find a good example of it. Oh, right here, good example. Came down here, tapped the bottom side of this consolidation, and then rose again, okay? And it had a pretty nice little increase. And it wasn't anything ridiculous, but we got around a 100% increase on the pairing. So that's what I'm saying, though. Like 100% increase in the pairing is actually a pretty important one. So I think Bitcoin Cash is in a position where I think it's about time to start really paying attention. Yeah, this is going to be a major support level. All right. NU, I'll look at NU. We'll see. Oh, yeah, Veracity. I've already done like 7 or 8 charts today. All right. Like, guys, if you're not part of the Patreon, you're seriously missing out. Okay. I'm updating like crazy, and only Patreon members are seeing what I'm actually typing. This one's going to be. Uh, Awesome. What else? What else? What else? HBAR BTC. How are we holding? 200 daily. Ugh, I don't like this. I'm going to ignore it for now because, man, like the whole market is just really at a pretty insane spot. I think everything in the market is just taking a hell of a beating right now from Bitcoin. Everything. So I'm not taking too much weight in what I'm looking at, but yeah, DOT is looking good, isn't it? Cannot believe we're back up to all-time highs. It's freaking insane. I cannot believe it. Oh, wow. This is a beautiful looking coin, actually. Oh, damn. Look at this, guys. All right. Look. I want you guys to look at this. All right. Look at the interaction on these breakers. This is perfect. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful. So, breaker formed. Came up here, rejected, broke down. Came up here, rejected again, broke through, tested it, tested, went up the next one, right? Now, on this breaker, once we broke down, we came up here and we tapped it, rejected, came back up, retest, continuation higher. There's no resistance above us. This looks beautiful. DOT looks beautiful. Damn, I knew I should have bought some weight. Man, should have bought some down here. Damn it. I was trading it too and I just didn't actually buy it. Sucks. DOT. Now we are back to all-time highs and have successfully retested and pushed up from the daily breaker. Yep, sucks. Yeah, and new. I'll look at new. Let's see. New. All right. Let's look at this coin. Let's see why it took off, right? That's our big question we all want to know. Why did this coin just explode? Okay. 200 wasn't the issue. What about this? Okay. Guys, look at this right now. I want you guys to really pay attention. Why did this coin take off? From here to here, the retracement. Where did it pop down into? Golden pocket. What happened? You guys see this, right? Perfect. There you go. Like that guys, I'm telling you. Like these golden pockets, I have told you so many times. I have told you so many times. They're cheat codes, guys. And you ask, why do you buy the golden pocket? Because it works. Why wouldn't you? Why wouldn't you do it? It doesn't make sense to me. Like, look, it came all the way down here. Where did it get down to? Low 2770. 2770. So right here, okay? It got right down to our golden pocket in between the 702 and the 618. That's what happened, okay? Like, guys, golden pocket. It's perfect. Like this is exactly what you're damn it. It doesn't matter. The point is, anytime you get a retracement in that level, you should be buying at the golden pocket. Like, I can't give you enough case studies to prove to you guys this. Like, it is that strong of a level. It really, really is. Now, you need to look at the low time frame, right? So you don't just go in there and be like, oh, let's just look at that one thing and one thing only, right? But I'm sure if we go in here, I'm sure we'll see other market structure that gives us some really good clues. So why did it pop off right here? Let's see. Well, let's listen impulse. Okay, so, oops. Good. I want it to cool down. Then our other coins will pop off. Totally okay with that. So we have an impulse, right? How can you tell it's an impulse? Look, high volume, right? I'm going to get rid of this for now. Okay, look at the market structure on this. Increase, impulse, high volume. How do you know it's impulse? Because it's straight up. It's parabolic. This is as good of an impulse you're going to ask for, right? Now, what's this? Corrective structure, right? And how do you know it's a corrective structure? Because it channels, right? And it's not perfect on this chart, but like it's pretty damn close. So if you go over here, draw a channel, look, channel. Okay? Corrective structure. You break out of the channel, you retest it, you push up from it, and then once you break above previous all-time highs, it accelerates. Okay, this is perfect. Like guys, these things. Learning. It's just perfect, guys. Like it doesn't get much cleaner than this. It really doesn't. So like anytime you go back and you look at these charts, a lot of times things make it a lot clearer, right? And so why do you think I buy at the golden pocket? Because I see this shit all of the time. Why wouldn't I buy at these opportunities? So channeling, impulse, channel, continuation, right? That's the exact same reason as to why I'm in some of my coins right now, like sushi. Okay? Look. So why do you think I have impulse, channel, right? Why do you think I'm in this play? You guys see this, right? Impulse, channel. What happens next? Pop the upside. Okay? This is why I'm in sushi right now. Because this is a market structure sort of play. We have a clear impulse, clear channel, breakout. Same thing we just saw in new, right? Just like we had on new. Okay, we had an impulse, channel, breakout, same exact sort of thing. Let's go to the BTC pairing, see what else we saw in here. What did I just tell you guys about Bitcoin Cash? That's so funny. I told you guys, it will oftentimes retrace back to the point of origin for the original impulse, right? It will go back to the original point of impulse or point of origin for the impulse. Okay, let's look at this. Okay, remember this chart right here. Okay, impulse, correction, all the way down to the point of origin, then continuation higher. Okay, and on Bitcoin Cash, I said like 10 minutes ago, we have an impulse correction all the way down to the point of impulse. So why would I be buying at this point? Same reason why new took off, because the point of origins for these impulses is a buying opportunity. It popped off from there at one time. A lot of times it pops off from there again. Oh, wow, this is a hell of a retracement. Let's see where we're at right now. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I see a golden pocket. I see a golden pocket. I see a golden pocket. Knew it. Freaking knew it. We are inside of a golden pocket right now. We are inside of a golden pocket right now. What should you be doing right now on new? Perfect. Yep. We are currently inside of the golden pockets right now on this coin that went super parabolic. New 111. We still have plenty of room to grow on this one. This looks good. This looks really good. Very happy about this. Oh my God, we invalidated the. Oh my gosh. Guys, we have invalidated our bearish divergence. Oh, we are in the overbought region for on the daily for Bitcoin right now. Gosh. All right, so here's my question. All right, look. We are currently in the overbought region for Bitcoin on the daily. Okay, you guys see that, right? Anywhere above this channel is the overbought region. So, should I buy or should I sell on Bitcoin because we're in the overbought region? Given nothing else, is this a selling opportunity? Is the thought process, since we're overbought, obviously we need to sell, right? That makes sense. Let me know in the chat. Is it a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity? Like, what should I be doing at this point? If we are currently in the overbought region, is that a selling sign? Is that a time where we should be selling? Let me know in the chat what you guys' thoughts are. Should we be selling at an overbought region on Bitcoin on the daily? I don't know what you guys' thoughts are. You should consider selling, okay? All right, so here's how this works, okay? When you get into overbought territory, you should not be selling. You should not, okay? Look over here. Bitcoin breaches the overbought territory right here. See that? What is this? 69% on October 20th. So Bitcoin reaches overbought territory right here at 11,000. Let's see the next time it gets back into sold territory, November 25th. So that means that it breaches back into underneath overbought territory back here at 19,000. So you would have missed out on 100% gains if you were to sell here, okay? So the point I'm trying to make here is whenever you get into overbought territory, sometimes you're right. This is the time you should be selling, okay? But a lot of times when you get into overbought territory, all that means is that's the time where things are really starting to accelerate and you're going to get some massive, massive movements. So a lot of times what happens, whenever you get into overbought territory, that's just the time where things are really starting to heat up. And I would absolutely not be looking to sell anytime soon, okay? For instance, XRP goes into overbought territory right here at around 25 cents, okay? And we don't get back into or out of overbought territory until 8 January. Well, what is the price set on 8 January? 8 January. The price is over here at $2.77, right? So the key I'm trying to make here is just because we get into overbought territory does not mean you should be selling. It means you should be taking notice because either one of two things is happening. Either this is a selling opportunity. You can see some bearish signs like a bearish divergences or loss of support levels or things like that. Or it could mean that you're about to go into a hyper parabolic movement like this. Okay. So overbought territory over here at 25 cents goes all the way up here and 10x's from that point, right? So if you would have sold here at 25 cents, you're really kicking yourself right now. So instead, okay, you need to look at the entirety of the situation, but just because you do get into a bearish or overbought territory does not mean that you should just be selling instantaneously because it's overbought, all right? Just something to consider, all right? A lot of times if you do so, you're going to miss out on a lot of the biggest gains. All right, what's going on here? RTBro Live. You know it, buddy. You know it. What's up? All right. Oh, man. Yep, new all-time high. Melik is correct. Yep. Gosh, I'm so excited, guys. I really am. All right, let's focus on some of these coins from here. Let's do this. Audio. I've never heard of it before. Let's do it. Ooh, I like this a lot. I like this coin a lot. Why do I like this coin so much? Oh my god, I like this coin a whole lot. Ooh, baby. I like it a little bit less on the weekly. Yes, I like this a lot. I like it a little less. A little bit less. You know what? I still like it. Yeah, I like it. Interesting. We're above the 200 moving average. Oh, oops, I don't hit that. Audio. I do like this. I like it a lot, actually. The more I look at it, the more I think I like it. Let's go over here to altcoin analysis, audio. And this is a section that you will only be able to get access to if you are a Patreon subscriber. So highly recommend being a Patreon subscriber. I really, really do appreciate it. And I think with the amount of money that's about to be entered the market, you could easily make back up $40 a month. That's insane to think anything other than that. So, audio. Let's see. Chart requests. Oh yeah. All right, Anthony, I told you, man, I'm not doing this today. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, let's look at this. So, audio. All right, so if you guys are Patreon subscribers, you can drop into the chart request and I'll go through it. I'm not taking requests from the chat. I appreciate it, guys, but only from here because these guys are actually paying me money and I want to make sure they get the priority. Sorry, I like you guys, but you know, money. So, good stuff. We're in crypto, so we're all about capitalism and stuff. So, I got to pay my new driver to drive me across the country so I can do more YouTube videos for you guys. 3-day breaker. So I have that over here. Audio, audio, audio. There you go. Let's go over here to the BTC pairing. Well, let's do this first. Audio. Yeah, bro. Yeah. Link does not look good. I post in the chat, man. Altcoin now. I post in the chat, dude. Come on, bro. 3-day. This is the USD pairing. Okay, the USD pairing looks really. The BTC pairing. The BTC pairing. The BTC pairing is a little concerning. Why? Why is it concerning? But the BTC pairing is currently inside of a weekly breaker. Okay. Yep. Audio looks good. Yep. I covered Chili's, didn't I? Yep, I did. Oh, I didn't actually cover what he was saying though. Haven't talked about chilies in a while. I believe I see a large metal triangle on the USL pairing and holding 72 other BTC pairing daily 200. Ooh, interesting. Let's see. Large metal triangle on the chilies pairing. Let's see chilies. Interesting. Where is this large symmetrical triangle? Right here? Yes. Ooh, I do like this. Okay. BV, look at you. You are giving me good stuff. All right, I see you. Look at this. Good stuff, dude. Okay. So no, I actually agree. I'm gonna do more detail on this. No, I'm gonna go ahead and kill that. CHZ. Yeah. Uh fighting against. Yep, I agree with that. Let's see any breakers established. Not really. Monthly, no. 3-day. Yes. Yes, we do. Yep, there's definitely a solid breaker there. And it's acting as a resistance. And then here's the other big thing. And this is very important. Watch this, guys. Oh, okay, Vinny, I see you now. So from the top to the bottom, where did we find resistance at? Golden pocket, right? See that? Guys, I'm telling you, golden pockets are cheat codes on both directions. So on a downtrend, you start from the top, go to the bottom. On an uptrend, you start from the bottom, go to the top, right? Start of the impulse. This is an impulse. So you start from the top, work your way down, right? And that's how this whole thing works. So if you consider this an impulse, you would start down here at the start of the impulse, the top of the impulse, see where it retraces to, right? Neat. So there is our get above the 702, get above 39. I think this hand's going to accelerate in a major way. 3-day breaker. Oh wait, what the hell? Along with the golden pocket from the impulse downward. Okay. Did I not take a picture of that? Oh, that sucks. All right, let's do it again. Yes, I definitely see this though. You are 100% correct on that. The daily. The lower the time frame, the more precision you're going to get with these trend lines. I'll even go to the 4 hour, even on a very high time frame, just to make sure it's exactly lined up. Like you can see, even though we were on the daily, you can see how we still are a little bit off of it. Come back up here. Right there. Off again. Off again. And they make a lot of difference on the low time frames. So there you go. Yeah, no worries at all, buddy. You know I got you. So I'm skipping over. I'm skipping over some of these. Like right here, Jimmy James. I know you said please and stuff, but like I'm trying to have a rule here to where it's not just like, hey, look at this chart. I want to see why, right? I already did this one. This is me 100% on this one. Did that yesterday. Huh, weird. Yeah, this looks really good though. Really happy about it. Let's see. So yeah, daily, we're right there. We're pressing up against it. Um, by definition, it's going to be it's a symmetrical triangle. So that means it's a 50-50 chance essentially, right? Now, what we can do though is we can go to the other pairing and find out how it's doing. And on here, we actually have a really clear level established with this daily breaker, right? So if you zoom out, you can see this daily breaker has been established and it's very clear. So we haven't touched it yet, so we would imagine the first touch should be a support level. So I'm going to go ahead and annotate this as a support. So this should act as a support on the green. So we do have a major support below us. We lost the 200, but we do have this major support below us. I'm going to do this. There you go. Where is it at? We are closing on a daily breaker on the BTC pairing. Closing on a daily breaker on the BTC pairing. Since it is untested, I would assume it to hold, and it would be a really great buying opportunity. All right, awesome. So let's do this. So what are the let's see, I've already talked about this market update. So what do you guys think is my overall market update, right? Yeah, for one, I do think we're going to get a pretty aggressive pop to the upside. Okay. All right, so we've never really tested this appropriately. So because we actually tested it, I would like to see it come up here and actually do a proper retest of this level. Now, I do expect that the weekly breaker would hold because it was a massively important level um, in the 2017-2018 time frame. I mean, essentially, right. Ultimately, I do think that we'll see new lows or some more beatings. Win over time. All right, so Bitcoin dominance is still showing a lot of strength, which gives me the theory that Bitcoin dominance is going to shoot up like mad very soon to the weekly breaker that we have never really tested the downside. Bearish retest. I do expect the weekly breaker would hold because it was a massively important level in the 2017-2018 timeframe. Ultimately, I still do think the Bitcoin dominance will see new lows or at least another massive drop before this thing is over. But we may very well have some more beatings coming to our altcoins in the BTC pairings. It doesn't have to happen, but it is likely. Personally, I am not going to adjust my position for a Bitcoin pump. Instead, I'm keeping my eyes on the prize of the end, which is a massive increase in our altcoins. If you want to take additional positions in Bitcoin, it will likely be a winning play on the USD value. However, I strongly believe that altcoins will win relatively over time. Upload. No, yeah, Chris, I agree with you. I don't think Bitcoin has nearly the amount of strength it used to, relative. It doesn't have it. If you look at the Bitcoin dominance, like look on the high time frame, like this structure looks weak. There's very little bounces relative to over here, right? And I don't think we're gonna get up into the 70s ever again on Bitcoin. I'm a firm believer that Bitcoin has had its heyday, and I don't even think we would get back above like 53% region. I think this entire block right here is going to have too much resistance. So, is it possible? I mean, technically yes, but I don't really think so. I think that maybe this block right here will be like the ultimate stopping point for it. I can see that happening. Maybe that. Maybe as far as that. Maybe we could get up to like 55% region. Maybe. I just don't even know if that's even possible. So could be that. This could be our high point on Bitcoin right at that point right there. The point is, I think it's limited. I really do. I think it's limited. I think we don't have that much further to go. And ultimately, I do think, based upon a many reasons I've talked about on Discord chat many times, I think that ultimately the eventual position is Bitcoin will fall off and other altcoins will take its place. And that's still my bias right now, guys. So we'll see what happens. But overall, I'm not adjusting anything. I think my plan's still the same. It's been the same for a very long time. I don't change my positions very often. Um, I focus on high time frame. So like the high time frame has not changed. Weakness, weakness in the market, which is great for our uh, speculative. What else? What else? What else? What else? Total. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, this looks so good. I'm so happy right now. Look how freaking close we are on the total two chart. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh, come on. Party. Yeah. Party, party, party. I don't know, whatever. All right, either way. There is more money in crypto right now than ever before. This is huge. Mm. All right. Okay. On the total two, we can see how close we are to accelerating upwards, just like we saw. Ooh, man, this is good. Oh, even stock market looks good. Oh my gosh. One second, buddy. I got you. Join that. There we go. Yeah, join that. I think the one in the description is actually messed up, and I gotta fix it. I keep getting distracted and I keep forgetting to do it. But maximum generate new link, copy, good, copy. Where am I at? Let's go over here, edit. All right, cool. There we go. I updated it. Okay, so also is making massive strides, which is another reason why I don't think that crypto is ready to become a safe haven asset yet. No, the bull market is over. Boom. Love it. Chart review. I'm interested. All right, AYT, let's talk about this. So, okay. No, I'm going to say no on this. All right, I see what you're doing. So you're starting with the start of the impulse, and I see that. Okay, here's the thing. All right, let's go over here. I love these. If you guys do if you ever drop a chart request in or a chart review, I will instantly switch whatever I'm doing and go to that because I love seeing what you guys have to do and really teaching you guys what to look for on this chart. What is this? Doggy. I've never heard of this one before. Interesting. I don't know what this coin is, but it seems like a shit coin to me. But don't know. All right. So if you're looking at a golden pocket, right? Golden pocket. You want to start at the start of the impulse or the start of the entire structure. So the entire structure I would say is right here, right? To the very top up here. And I would do this. Let's go our magnet on from the very bottom to the very top. Okay. This to me is the appropriate way to draw this structure, right? So from the very bottom of the impulse to the top of the impulse, this to me is the way to draw the structure. And you started right here, okay? The thing is, though, you can't just ignore the rest of it. You can't ignore the rest of it. Now, if you go to the low time frame and like this movement right here, I don't know about you, but that definitely looks impulsive, right? So if the market did something like this to where, let me find a good example. All right, so how about this? Pretend this section doesn't exist. All right, so all we're looking at is like this right here. Let's say this is the bottom of the market, right? And this was the bottom, and then all of a sudden it popped up from here. Could you consider this as the start of the impulse? Yes, you could, right? You could ignore this because this looks more of a corrective in nature. But since we have this right here, this is a parabolic curving movement, high volume movement. So this is very clearly impulsive. So you can't ignore this section of it. So in this particular situation, you have to include this in your analysis, in my opinion. All right. So you're gonna go from here to the top here. Okay. This to me is the impulse. This is going to be the corrective structure. Now let's look at that. It came down below the 786. Is that healthy? No, that's not healthy, right? We do not want to see it get this low. And this is another reason why I really don't like Doge right now. Yes, of course, I know what Doge is. No matter how much I hate this damn coin, of course, I can never ignore it, right? And I do like money, so if it ever did look really bullish, I'd buy it again probably. But realistically, this is not the moment for me. This looks pretty good though. Damn it. All right, I stop looking at this coin. I'm gonna start getting bullish on it again. I can't do that. I cannot get bullish on this damn coin again. Still looks pretty good, not gonna lie. Oh man, no, don't get me into this coin again, please. Please. Log chart, no, okay. All right. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh, you're good, Andres. No worries at all, buddy. So here's what we got. Started the impulse, top of the impulse, retracement. Came all the way down below the 786. So now that you're back above this level, could you consider this a golden pocket retest? I mean, yes, but the problem is, though, you've already fallen below it. So to me, this is going to be an unhealthy retracement amount, unless you wanted to make the argument to where this is just a deviation from a range, all right? Which is tough to say. It really is tough to say because to me, it looks to me like, let's go here. Came down here. Then you even came back up and tested the golden pocket from the downside and then continued to fail, right? But now you actually have this reclaim continuation up, right? Is this possible? Absolutely, right? But instead of this actually being a golden pocket reclaim, I would probably look for a breaker in here. There's probably one in here somewhere. No. Weekly, no. 3-day, 12-hour. It's really not. Is this it? Such an interesting level. This might be it. Wow. I think that's it, actually, guys. Oh, wow. Wow, look at this. This 12-hour breaker right here. You guys can see this, right? Downtrend, consolidation, continuation down, right? And the reason why I think this is actually it is because come up here, test it, broke above, test it, broke above, test it, broke above, test it, a continuation up, right? A little bit of a deviation, but for the most part, it's held up really well. So this actually might legitimately be a pivot point, which happens to be at the golden pocket, but the problem is we fell through the golden pocket. Now, if we held this area right here and didn't have this deviation over here, then I would consider this a golden pocket reclaim. But instead, I think this whole golden pocket thought process is gone. Okay, I don't think it's significant anymore. I really don't. Yeah, we fell too far down. So yeah, I think we fell too far down, man. I hate to say it, but I think we did. Damn it, damn it, damn it. It's actually pretty neat. All right, I'm gonna annotate it on here. I'm gonna do an update on Doge. I still hate this chart. What do you mean? I'm curious. Like they're too hard to understand? If they're too hard to understand, you need to watch the Trading 101 videos, man. I mean, that's basically where I'm at right now. So, the Trading 101 gives you the foundation so that you can actually understand what I'm talking about. So, I can't go through into extreme detail on every single post, but essentially, I will do it on this one just to show you. Let's see. The 12-hour breaker has acted as a significant pivot point, the price action. We also have a falling trend line established. We can use as a clear level of strength. If we get above. The daily 200 MA is still acting as resistance. So don't think that this looks bullish just yet, but know what I am watching to know if it is bullish. Yep, I've covered ass. Are you kidding me? Is that really a coin, Andres? Oh my god, you're killing me, dude. You're killing me, bro. All right, yeah, that's Doge. That's my thought process on it, man. I think we still have work to do on it, but it looks better than it did. Ooh, we are breaking down on Bitcoin. Hell yeah. Ooh, baby. All right, so, okay, watch. Breaker. Clear level established, right? If we're bullish, we want this to hold. Okay, so if we're really bullish on Bitcoin right now, we want this to hold. Okay, I think it's basically about that time to where now we're going to start rotating some money into our altcoins. Let's see how this drop is handling. Are we losing? Yes, perfect. Okay, during this drop, Bitcoin is actually losing Bitcoin dominance, right? So what that means is that money is rotating out of Bitcoin into our altcoins. And how is the total chart looking? Total's dropping. Total 2 is still holding it pretty nicely. So that's what we really want to see. Yeah. Oh my God, lots and lots of Litecoin. Oh my gosh. You can't lose money on Doge. You've never heard of it, like me. Never heard of her. Let's look at Convex. I haven't looked at that in a while. Stack is just chilling. Convex Finance. Ooh, okay, we're recovering it pretty nicely. The hell? Where's my markings go? What? It doesn't move between other charts. That's unfortunate. All right. Well, either way, let's look at Convex Finance. What do I left it at? CVX. Okay. This is what I was looking at, right? This was my falling wedge, falling wedge, falling wedge, breakout of the trend line, and we continuation upwards on the broke out trend line. So at this point, where are we at, right? Let's see where we're at right now. We go to the top, go to the bottom. Let's extend this thing out to the left. There we go. We had a pretty solid retest right there. Are we going to get another retest? Very possibly, right? There's our trend line. There's our trend line. I think this is it right here. Yep. Daily, 12-hour. The fuck? Oh, 1,000. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so I want to see this hold if possible. A little bit dark. I'm going to try to lessen it down just a little bit. Okay, much better. I want to see Giovanni, are you in the Discord group? If you are in the Discord group, make sure to drop it inside of chart request. So, Discord, chart request. You have to be a Patreon member in order to gain access, but it's only $40 a month and you get a ridiculous amount of content. So, make sure you do that. This 12-hour breaker hold. Okay, Giovanni, listen again. All right, sweet. I want to see a 12-hour breaker hold. If not, we retest of the falling trend line. Completely healthy. Yep, completely healthy. Okay. I'm skipping ones that don't have reasons. I am skipping ones that don't have reasons behind them. Oh, come on. C4YFN. Come on, man. You know better than that. You literally said all the things I don't like about it. Utility and fundamentals. I don't care about the utilities and fundamentals. You got to talk about the charts, right? That's all. I'm a technical analyst. Technical analyst. I don't worry about fundamentals or, let's see. Yeah, utility and fundamentals. You think I care about that? Hell to the no. One. I got one. I'll do that. ONE. Ooh. Oh, okay, good. That was a 1 hour chart. Thank God. About to say that looks really, really bad on the 1 hour chart. Um. Okay, so cup and handle. All right. So there's a lot about that. So this is, I'm assuming this is the cup and handle he's talking about. Mm. Okay, so first off, yes, is a cup and is it definitely a cup? The handle, yes. Breakout, yes. I think it's legit. Mm. All right, I'm gonna do that right now. So, uh, Yuri B. I hope I said that right. Yuri B. I hope I really did say that right. So let me explain this to you. And actually, I did a video I want you to watch. It's not a very long video, but it really enforces my thoughts. Okay. And I think that this is what you really need to be looking at. Wait, the wrong one. What am I doing? Here you go. So essentially, when you are focusing in on multiple things, you're gonna be getting a lot of mixed signals. Okay, a lot of mixed signals. So instead, what you can do is you can focus in on certain things, and you can make things a lot clearer. So, like, here's my question for you: how much value does a fundamental have? Right? Yeah, clutters the mind and drives your biases here. Yeah. Okay, there you go. He basically said it. Technical analysis versus fundamental. Oh, shit. Here we go. Look at this video right here. Wait. All right, here we go. Make sure to watch this video right here. Trading 101, technical analysis versus fundamental analysis versus news. Okay. This thing will seriously, seriously change your thought process behind how you analyze charts. Okay. If you focus on one single thing, you are going to be a ton more effective as a trader because technical things are quantifiable. These are things that you can measure. These are things that you can clearly define. On the fundamental side, you can't clearly define anything. Okay, you don't know how much value something will bring to you. So instead, just focus on technicals and you will be so much more successful as a trader. I assure you of that. All right. So look at that video. Let me know what your thoughts are. But I was about to go through it again. I'm like, wait, why'd I do that again when I already made a video that really focused on it? And realistically, like everyone here needs to watch every one of these videos. Like they're super, 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 super important. So yeah. Time for an update. Oh my gosh. So like half of these comments, if not more, are actually just spam. It's great. I love YouTube. Spam all the time. All right, one. Um, no, it's not really a channel. Yeah, I think this is a sort of a falling wedge. It looks legitimate. So, so this definitely looks like some sort of a cup and handle. I will definitely give them that because you have a cup, and the main thing you're looking for is going to be your volume profile. A high volume on the side, low volume in the center, and it gradually increases, right? And for the handle, you need some sort of a continuation pattern. I like to see channels, but this actually turned into a falling wedge, which is also okay. And of course, we have gotten a sort of breakout. So I think it's solid. I like this bull flag up here. Yeah, I like this a lot, actually. Hmm. What's ones? 58? That's not too bad. It's not bad. Yeah, one's making some sort of a bull flag right now. Get the hell up, man. Are you serious to me? Man, low volume on the bottom. Damn. So what I'm saying, what I'm hearing is if you guys would have taken my advice in this stream like an hour ago, you'd be up a lot already. That's amazing. So did I actually call the bottom of this one? All right, I gotta focus. I gotta focus. One thing at a time, right? I gotta find other winners. Apparently, I already missed that one again. The handle formed a falling wedge. It's completely fine. Completely fine for a cup handle. Um, daily chart. Let's do a, how do I draw a curve? There's a curve. Did it work? Yeah, perfect. All right. Awesome. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get off, guys. I've been streaming for 2 hours and 30 minutes. I am completely okay with that. Probably. I mean, it probably is. Is it really up that much already? Son of a bitch. Yep, sure enough. Wow. I mean, I would have bought it down here because it's a golden pocket. Now we're no longer in the golden pocket anymore. It's a lot higher risk. It's a higher risk now. Like, I don't know, man. If you want to give it a shot, you can. But personally, I'm just going to let it sit. I'm just going to let it go. I'm pretty content with my current positions. So, how's Bitcoin doing? Is it crashing still? Nope, it's holding up. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty content with my positions. I'm not going to change much. You know, God, new. It's freaking insane. Don't worry, we will have more. I'm not worried at all. It's finding the next parabolic coin. How's Raven doing? Well, it bounced my buy zone. That's good at least. Still starting with 200 moving average. Yeah. Look, 200 moving average right above us. Get above that, we're going parabolic. Raven. Strong bounce. Oh, a strong bounce from the golden pocket. A strong bounce from the golden pocket. Currently fighting with the daily 200 moving average. It's close to breaking out, but we just are not ready yet. Close. That's how it's like when like all of our coins right now. Like they're so freaking close. But it's just like not right now. But gosh, man. Like I don't like thinking about time frames and timelines, but like it's hard for me to imagine that we're gonna be like struggling on our alts more in like 2 weeks. It doesn't really make much sense to me. I think we're gonna be starting to accelerate in a massive way within the next 2 weeks. It's amazing. I think we're really that close. Wow. Yep. Just get ready, guys. All right. Well, I'm going to go ahead and get off, guys. I've been on for a very long time, but I appreciate you guys joining in like always. And Yeah, make sure you guys are in the Discord. Make sure you guys are Patreon members. I'm literally hiring someone so I can give you guys more value. So that's pretty impressive. And I don't know of many other YouTubers or influencers, whatever, who would actually do that. So I'm literally paying someone so that I can give you guys more content. That's insane, but I do care that much. And yeah, I will see you guys soon. I've got drill tomorrow, so I'll be in Army training. So don't expect too much from me tomorrow or the day after. And then I think I hit the road again on Monday. But again, I'm trying to get someone to go on the road with me. But very soon. The goal is by the time the bull market's really, really popping off, I'll have someone there. So, all right, guys. Have a fantastic evening, and I will see you guys in the next video. Like always,